I am going to write down our same two equations from our bags and boxes problem that we just turned into numbers. So I had one scale, x plus 3 equals y. Can I graph that?
Yes. No.
Why, yes, I can. That is a slope-intercept equation, right? Okay. Is that in a form I can graph?
No.
Can I get it there?
Yes.
Yeah.
What do I need to do? Yeah, Daniel's right. I could turn this into slope-intercept form by just subtracting 1 from each side and, oh, now I can graph it. Both of these have positive slopes. They both go up. So I'm not really going to be very far into the negatives. So I'm just going to draw a tiny little bit of the negatives because I do have one with a negative start value. Kind of a rough sketch of the graph. Let's graph these really quick and see what happens because we know how to graph and we know where the answer should be if I graph, right? What's the start value for this first equation? Sleepy class. A couple people know. Hopefully you haven't forgotten how to graph over spring break. That would be a bummer. What's my slope? Yeah, my slope's not a variable. It's what's ever in front of it, which is a 1. So GPS time, what is that 1 telling me to do? Yeah, up 1 and over 1. So I'm going to do that just a bunch of times just to kind of track my line out nice and far so we can see what's happening. Because it's pretty easy to just go up 1 and over 1. There's 1, right? Okay, this guy. We had to put it in slope-intercept form, but it was easy to do. What's my start value?
4.
Try again.
-1.
There we go. -1. What's the slope on this one?
2.
Yeah, up 2 and there we go. Okay, so I'm just going to start doing that until my lines meet up because they are going to meet up. They're going different directions. So they're getting closer and closer together. And oh, look, they do indeed meet up. The solution is the point where they intersect, right? What's that coordinate? Staring us down, we just have to grab it off the graph and write it down. There we go, we got a few people. Wait a minute. 4, 7?
Isn't that like the bag?
Isn't that what the bag is?
Oh, look, 4 and 7.
Dad!
Huh. So the substitution thing really does work, doesn't it? It just gave me the answer where they cross without having to graph it.